Walking here, sometimes the noise of the city makes me confused. Sometimes I lose sight of my goals. So, I went on a journey of self-discovery into the nature. This is a rare place where I don't feel the everyday stress, where I don't hear others complaining. It's just me and the nature. I love to be in nature, but as you know, it's not always on my side. The thick fog makes it hard to see ahead. Sometimes I was blocked by wild animals, but no matter how tough things get, nature always heals me. It's the color of the beautiful sunrise, the sound of the water, the smell of the forest. This place really is a paradise for me. Nature enriches my heart. This trip reminded me of that. In the end, I'm very thankful to my family for their constant support.